At the moment, what the world needs the most is to hear from Jesus. Every heart was first made in the hands of Jesus. And every heart innately yearns to hear from Him who created it. So right now I pray that the Holy Spirit settle your soul and open the ears of your heart to hear a love message from Jesus. This poem is called Raging River of Love, and it's from Jesus to His bride. You are the pinnacle of every realm's worth. There is no better gift than the gift of you, my bride. The wait has made you sweeter. Time has matured your beauty and appeal. I love you with the Father's love. Yes, He has loved me well. I was the channel He flowed His unfailing love to. I am overflowing. I cannot contain this love any longer. And as my Father has poured His love into me, I will pour my love into my bride. You are the catchment stream at the foot of the floodgates of my heart. Get ready to receive. I am going to transform your stream into a raging river of living love. The floodgates to my heart shall remain eternally open. You have been set aside to drown in the splendor of my love. Come test the waters of our perpetual love. Rest your lips against mine and feel their destined match. Come taste my love. Come feel my affections. Come touch your husband. Come see my passion for you, my sacred bride. Let the fragrance of our eternal happiness fill you. The scent of my presence shall never leave you. It will never leave you. Oh, my true love, let my spirit lead you. Tune your ears to His beckoning, for He may lead you down 1,000 paths. But rejoice, my beloved, they all lead to me. They lead home. They lead to us. For when the heartfelt I do is proclaimed, a door will be opened that no power could possibly close. Through this door is our destiny. You will see us, the glory of the Godhead, and I will be your husband and you will be my wife, and we shall enjoy the warmth of each other's presence for eternity to come.